Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to Albert's World, the channel that speaks and talks about sneakers, my favorite devices, fashion, and things in life in general. So let's get things started. Well, earlier today I just got a quick share before we unbox this really good device. I had a basketball game earlier today. I got a slight injury in this right thumb, and hopefully this device will show you later on that it's not gonna matter. So let's get things started. So I'm gonna show you a pickup this weekend, which came from Huawei. So this is a cool shopping bag, I should say, and it had some freebies that came with it. We had it pre-ordered, and we were the first one who picked it up from the store, so it's really cool. And yeah, you see that we have this board right here, right now, for unboxing purposes. So here we have the Huawei P30 Lite. See that? Very simple box, I should say. Very clean, white, and all Huawei light. So I will put that on the side of it. Came with a freebie, and this is a Bluetooth speaker. And it looks pretty simple and neat. This one, I don't know, this is so cool. It says Huawei selfie stick, but I don't know if millennials will recognize, but I recall like Kato from Green Hornet with that Eskrima sticks, or I should say nowadays Nightwing. So this is really cool stuff. So I'll put this on the side, and let's get to the main event. So go. On second thought, I should say that let's go to the appetizer, I should say, when it comes to the main course. So I'll say this first. So we have this Huawei Soundstone portable Bluetooth speaker. I will not go through the heck of the specs or whatnot, but it says loud vibration sound, light and portable, IPX5 water resistant. So I think that's pretty good for people who really want to go outdoors. Comes with a speaker cable. So I think this is also a charger of sorts. So let me just pull it out. Oops! It's tiny. It's a tiny cable. So it's really just for charging, most likely. I'll just put it here. Here's the Bluetooth speaker with the manual inside that we normally just don't really care about reading, and I think this is really nice. See, it's a very simple Bluetooth speaker with this sturdy cord that pretty much will allow you to carry it, attach it towards your bag or even your belt when you go outdoors. So it has some buttons right here. One is power button. When you press it, yeah,
Power on.
that's so nice to hear.
Connected.
Oh, it's connected somewhere. And it also has this Bluetooth button, so I think that's for pairing. And we have here the volume button, so the plus and the minus. And if it's connected to a device when you play music, it also has play and pause right here. So just turn it on.
Power off.
Feel that's so cool to hear. I'll put this here for the meantime and set that aside. I know, I'm just like bringing the kid out of me. Huawei selfie stick. I don't like selfies a lot, but this looks cool to me. Look at that. Woo! See, it looks like an Eskrima stick. Yeah, you could kill someone with this, but look at that. No, but I'm not gonna do anything funny on that. And let me see that real quick. It says long press the shutter button. So that's for taking pictures, I should say. There's that camera button right there, and there's that bulb. What happens with the bulb? Whoa, that's so sick. There's a light that's coming out. What happens if I press it again? Oh, I think the light got stronger. And if I press it one more time, yeah, the light gets stronger. And if I press it again, nothing happens anymore. It just adjusts the lighting. But if I hard press, it turns it off. That's so cool. That's how you pretty much take your selfies. Yeah, I think the light blew me away. That's nice. I think it's a cool device, especially for millennials right now. And it's handy, so it's pretty compact. So now let's go to the main course. Meow. I dropped the manual, the Huawei selfie stick manual. Here it is. Ta-da-da! Huawei P30 Lite, and the phone is the first one that comes in, but let's save that for last. The next one is, oh, it's a gel case. I really think that's so cool for companies right now that really gives the option of an initial jelly case, like what I had with my Note 9 prior, because that lessens the burden of the owner to really look for a protective case once they got their device, I mean. And it has this push pin, I should say, that really opens the slot for most likely memory card or the SIM. And what else is inside? So we have a power brick and the USB. This is nice. This is Type C. So USB Type C. And oh, it means a lot. It has a it's a headset, but it has a USB jack. So not a USB jack. Sorry, it's a headset jack. So that means it is still a traditional headset jack slot for the phone. So ta-da-da! Whoops! Alright, this is so slick. See that? That is all black, and it has a nice screen. So the most I don't know, satisfying part of the unboxing, the removal of this, I don't know, sticker. So it's satisfying feeling of getting that sticker removed. And now here it is, Huawei P30 Lite, and it comes in black, my favorite color aside from pink. And it has 3 cameras right there, you can see. And it has, let me read real quick, 24 megapixel, 1.1, 8 by 27 ASPH. I should still really recall specs or read specs a lot for devices, but man, look at that. It's really sick. So simple, elegant, and as I mentioned earlier, my hand is injured right here, and it really is painful, but I have a good time handling this, so good stuff for Huawei. Now let's turn it on. Huawei, powered by Android. So, aside from, well, getting this device right now, we got it pre-ordered like a week ago and stuff, and we got it just like a couple of, well, not really a couple of hours, but I think a day. But in essence, this is a really cool phone, and let me just get to it real quick. because it's asking me for a certain setting. Oops. Let me just cut this for a moment. Go. Okay, so this is really good. It's asking me to enter my fingerprint. And we'll cut it right now. So this device is also asking me to, well, set up my fingerprint and scanning, and just a couple of seconds more. It really makes sure that it covers the areas of your finger. I had this experience in the Note 9, but I think this is a really good demonstration on how they really get to the areas that's required for the accuracy of your fingerprint. And there you go. Now, Albert, what came into your head on why did you get a P30 Lite? So for starters, this phone is really packed with a lot of good stuff, like the screen itself, 6.15 inch, and it's pretty handy. And at the same time, I think this battery life is around 3,340 milliamperes, which is really cool, and 24 megapixel for the camera. And what really astounded me is for the price, it has 128 gig of memory and 6 gigabyte of RAM. So that's really cool for processing and cool stuff. And yeah, favorite color midnight black. Now, what else? Why did you get such a phone? It makes sure that it has something that other phones really don't have it right off the box or right off the bat. It has, I should say, something related to computers, like your desktops. What is that, Albert? It has a main space and a secondary space. In our own world, it's like a virtual desktop. And what does it mean for people like me? People who manages multiple social media accounts, and people who just want to make sure that they get to separate their personal and their work life. Again, you have your main page, which either you make it your personal or your work related stuff comes into it, your files, or you can use your secondary space, which is really cool. And at the same time, I got it discovered that this has a app twin application, not really application, but setting that you can do to make sure that, okay, Albert, what does that mean? You clone something? Exactly. You clone like your messenger app. It's app twin and then your messenger app, and it makes sure that you can log into profiles and do logins. How does that help? Make sure that you can answer pretty much people, and if you have multiple accounts to, well, cover everything. It saves time and it makes your life efficient. And it, as influencers, you can also make sure that you smash and make sure that you, well, answer your supporters and stuff. And for normal people, it gives you that privacy and security. Privacy because you have your other spaces, and it allows you to use your fingerprints as password. And yeah, you can use different fingers. And at the same time, it also asks for a different password for both spaces. So that's really cool. For me, that's something that is really priceless in terms of efficiency and, I should say, overall satisfaction for the consumer. So what's my verdict with this phone? For me, it's really slick, handy. All the specifications are really packed. Smartphones have come a long way compared to years back, and all of those smartphone companies right now are upping their game, their A game right now, I should say. And always make sure that something that will come from me to you guys who are watching this video is make sure that you live within your means. Not necessarily getting all the flagship phones right there, but rather making sure that you get the most out of your buck, your money, and not sacrificing everything else in life. So that's something that I'd like to share out, and parting words coming from me. Enjoy life, and just make sure that you watch the next episodes for the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button, I should say, and that notification bell right there for up and coming videos. So peace out, good vibes, see you next time.